welcome back to in your maths class. Hope you all are safe and well and follow your regular online classes and also obey your parents and also follow your regular exercises. So today I am here to start a new portion of your maths book, that is chapter 7, numbers up to 100. So let's get started today's class. So in this chapter, first the chapter name is chapter 7, numbers up to 100. So please open your book page number 84 for your reference. So in this page, the instruction we have to do that counting in tens, and look here we have to look at the pictures given below and count in tens. Here we have to count in tens and we have to write in we have to read the number name. That is, here how many tens we have to count. Each of the, here some flowers picture is there, and each of the picture 10, sorry my dear students, not flowers, it is leaves. So leaves picture is there, and in all the bunches of these leaves 10 leaves are there. So that means tens, we have to count the tens. So that is why here tens, all the bunch of the leaves are 10 in number. So we have to count how many tens is there. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is why here also written 5 tens, and 5 tens means 50. 50, and the number name is FIFTY, 50. Like this, next one also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one also 6 tens. 6 tens means 60. 60, and the number spelling is SIXTY, 60. So like that, all the numbers from 50 to 100, here 10 tens also we have to count. That means it is 5 tens, it is 6 tens, it is 7 tens, it is 8 tens, it is 9 tens, and it is 10 tens. So last one we have to count, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is why here also written 10 tens, and 10 tens means 100. That is 100, 100. 100 spelling is HUNDRED, 100. And 100 means 100 is a 3-digit number. So you have to count that 1, 2, 3. So 100 is a 3-digit number. Let's go the next page, that is page number 85. Please open your book page number 85 for the reference. So here we have to do numbers from 51 to 60. An instruction given that write the numbers and its number name as shown. We have to write the numbers and we have to write the number names also. So let's see what is there. That is here also 5 tens. So we have to count first. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. 5 tens and 1, 1. That means 1 leaves is there. So 1 is 51. So 51 spelling is FIFTY, 51. So like this, next one also 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens and 2 ones. Let's see, dear students, here 2 leaves. Small 2 leaves. 1, 2. That is why here 2 ones. So 5 tens and 2 ones is 52. That means 52. And 52 spelling is FI 52. FIFTY, 52. TWO, 52. Like this, next one also, how many tens is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens and 3 ones. Leaves also 1, 2, 3. So that is 53. 53. 53. 53 spelling is FIFTY, 53. THREE, 53. So my dear students, hope you all are understand and complete this page in your book. Now let's go next page. So next page, page number 86. Please open your book, page number 86 for the reference. In this page, now we have to do numbers from 61 to 70. So we have to do here 6 tens and 61 to 70 we have to fill it. So instruction also given, write the number and its number name as shown. So we have to write here numbers and number names also like this. Before page, previous page, 5 tens, like this we have to do this page also. So let's count how many tens is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. So 6 tens and 1 leaf. So 1, that is 61. 61 spelling is SIXTY, 61 ONE, 61. Like this, next one example you have to do that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens and 2 leaves. 1, 2. 2 leaves. So 2 ones is 62. 62 spelling is SIX, 60. 62. TWO, 2, 62. So my dear students, hope you all are understand and fill this page. Now let's go the next page. The next page is page number 87. Please open your book, page number 87 for the reference. Here we have to do that numbers from 71 to 80. In this page we have to write the 71 from 71 to 80. So in this here we have to do write the number and its number name as shown. We have to write the numbers and we have to write the number names also. Let's count how many tens is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens and 1. Before in previous page we have to do like this. Here also 1 leaves, that means 1, and that is 71. 71 spelling is SEVENTY, 71 ONE. Next one also, how many tens we have to count, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens and 2 small leaves is there, that is why 2 ones, that means 72. 7 tens and 2 ones means 72, and the spelling is SEVENTY, 72. TWO, 2, 72. Hope my dear students all of you understood and do this page in your book. Let's go now next page. Next page, please open your book, page number 88 for the reference. Here the instruction we have to do numbers from 81 to 90. In previous page also we have to do 71 to 80. Here we have to do 81 to 90. So in this page instruction given also, write the number and its number name as shown. We have to write the numbers and after that we have to write the number names. So here we have to do 8 numbers, that is 8 tens. So how many tens we have to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means, that is why here written 8 tens. And 1, that means 1 leaves, that is 81, 80 and 1, 81. And spelling is EIGHTY, 81, ONE, 181. Next one also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens and 2 ones means 2 leaves, 1, 2 leaves, and that is 82. And the spelling is EIGHTY, 82. TWO, 82. Hope my dear students you all are able to fill this page. Now next we are going to next page, that is page number 89, and here we have to do numbers from 91 to 100. So here also we have to write the numbers and its number names. Here how many tens we have to count? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens. And 1, that means 1 leaves, that is 91, and 91 spelling is Nine, 90, Tyt, 1, One, 1, 91. Next one also we have to do that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens and 2 ones, that means 1, 2, 2 leaves is there. So that means it is 92. And 92 spelling is Ninety. 92. Two. 92. Hope my dear students you are able to fill this page. Now we are going to next page. But before going next page, we have to do the last one, that is 100. How we have to count how many tens? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens and 0, 1. Here no picture is there, that means 0, 1. That is 100. 100. 100. In some times before I will tell you 100 is a 3-digit number. That is why it is 3-digit number. I will write. So the spelling is 100. HUNDRET. 100. Next page. Now next page, that is page number 90. An instruction given here that count from 51 to 100 and fill in the missing numbers. We have to fill the missing numbers. So here some numbers you are able to see that some numbers are given and some numbers are not given. So we have to write these numbers in these rooms. So let's start from here, that is 51. So we have to write 51 after, that is 52. Then after 53, then 54, then 55, then 56, then 57. So like this we have to write all one by one numbers and we have to fill this up to 100. So let's go the next number. Next number, that is write the missing numbers on the number line. We have to write here the numbers in the number line, and you see that some numbers are given and some numbers we have to write in this circle. So here first one number is 33 and 33 after, that is 34, and 34 after, that is 35, and 36 also written, 37 also written, 37 after, that is 38, then 39 also written, then 39 after 40, 41, 40 after 41, and 42 is already written. Like this you have to complete this number line and we have to write the missing numbers. Now next, let's go the next page, that is before, after and between. Here we have to write the before number, between number and after number. So before number, when we have to write before number, then we have to count that time. First one number is 91. So 91 before, that is 90. So we have to write the 90. And next number is 54. So we have to count up from 50, that is 51, 52, 53, then after 54. So before number it is 53. Hope you all are able to fill this one. Now let's go the between numbers, the 53 and 55. So in between number, that is 53 after 54. So we have to write here 54, and 61 and 63, and in between number 61 after 62, then after 63. So we have to write here 62. And next, let's go now after number. What comes after here? After number is very easy, you know that, and we have to write that 67 after, it is 68, 55 after 56. So you hope you all are feel it, And now next go the comparison numbers. Here we have to use the greater than and the less than and compare the numbers. So I tell you before class also in your previous class that when you are using the comparison greater than and less than, that time we have to use some tricks. So let's go to the board work. In comparison numbers, I before class also I will tell you that one trick. Now also I will repeat that one. You remember that, my dear students, and you are able to easily the comparison numbers. That is, when you do the comparison number, that time you all time use that the symbol, the arrowhead all time is smaller number side. If you do that trick all time, you are able to do nicely your comparison numbers like this. Because I will write the comparison numbers in the this symbol, this side arrowhead, this head this side, because it is the smaller number and it is the bigger number. In next one also, here 5 is this side and here 66. So how we write the next number, so how we write the symbol, that is like this. The arrowhead is all time the smaller number side. Because my dear student, now we are very small, so you have to remember that how you use this symbol. So I will tell you this trick because of your memorization. So you only remember that all time the arrowhead is all time the smaller number side. Then you easily do the comparison number. So next one numbers we have to do here 55 and it is 77. So how we write that symbol, that is like this. So if you write like this, the smaller head is this arrowhead is smaller number side. So it is correct. So like this also here 66 and this side 60. So how we write the symbol, that is like this, because the arrowhead is smaller number side. If you do this trick, you are able to do the comparison numbers easily and you will get the marks also. You also understand how it do, and you now no time you will confuse when you do the comparison numbers. So hope my dear students, you all are understood today's class. I also take your online classes, and if you have any confusion or any doubts in this class, you ask me in your class WhatsApp group. And you have otherwise you have any chapters, any confusion about this class, all the classes, you ask me. And no, don't hesitate my dear students, because now we are going to very typical period. So you ask me in your class WhatsApp group. Stay safe and stay healthy, and don't go outside, and all time obey your parents. Thank you. Bye bye.